The kindness of animals. An exploration of compassion in the animal kingdom. Good morning, everyone. Today I want to take you on a journey into the remarkable world of kindness in animals. While we often think of kindness as a uniquely human trait, numerous studies and observations shows that many species display extraordinary compassion and altruism toward each other, and even toward humans. This speech will explore various examples of kindness among animals, the reason behind these behaviors, and what we can learn from them. Example of kindness in animals. In elephants. Elephants are known for this and empathy. They exhibit behaviors such as mourning dead, helping injured companions, and even adopting orphan calves from other herds. In dolphins. Dolphins have been observed assisting injured individuals, both within their pods and even humans in distress. Their playful nature and cooperative hunting strategies highlight their social intelligence and empathy. In dogs. Our canine companions are perhaps the most well-known example of kindness in animals. Dogs can sense humans' emotions, provide comfort, and have been trained as therapy animals to support those in needs. In our beloved cats, these furry companions not only bring joy and laughter into our lives, but they also teach us valuable lessons about. Imagine coming home after a long day. You open the door, and there's your cat, waiting by the entrance. With a gentle purr and a soft nudge, they greet you, reminding you that you are loved and appreciated. These small gestures is a beautiful example of unconditional kindness. The reason behind this kindness. In social bonds. Many animals live in complex social structures where cooperation and support are crucial for their survival. Acts of kindness can strengthen these bonds, ensuring group cohesion and mutual aid. And in evolutionary advantage, altruistic behaviors can enhance the survival of the species. When individuals help each other, it increases the chances of survival for the group, which benefit everyone in the long run. In awareness, some animals possess a level of emotion intelligence that allows them to recognize the distress in others and respond compassionately. This emotional connection fosters kindness within species. Lesson for humans. In empathy and compassion. Observing kindness in animals remind us of the importance of empathy and compassion in our lives. If animals can show such behaviors, we too can strive to be more understanding and supportive of one another. In community support, the way animals work together for mutual benefit can inspire us to strengthen our communities, fostering environments where kindness and support thrive. Environments in where kindness and support thrive. In the kindness displayed by animals is a powerful reminder of the capacity for compassion that exists in the natural world. By learning from these examples, we can cultivate kindness in our own lives and communities. As we reflect on the remarkable behaviors of elephants, dolphins, dogs and cats, and many others, let us be inspired to embrace kindness as a fundamental aspect of our humanity. Thank you.